when we put our hands on somebody, so if you do it on your two sides of your leg, because you can't do two, well, you could do it this way too, but two hands somewhere. When you feel the energy between your two hands, you're feeling the person or you're feeling the leg. So a challenge for me is not to go this way or this way. Because maybe I think, oh, the leg is turned in, maybe it should turn out. But that's up to the leg. And all of a sudden it turns in more, and that happened with you. I was saying that the spiral of the arm goes out, but you went in. So as much as possible, I'm wanting to be in myself, not directing myself into the other person, which means that when that person moves, I can respond. Where if I'm going that way and that one person this way, then we're setting up this kind of a thing. And it would be easy to move your arm, but the internal flow would have been going this way while I moved it that way. And so the brain, this is all theory, that your brain would recognize that I am moving your arm that way. It would not recognize that I am moving myself this way. One of the wonderful things of babies, very, very early babies, is that their hand will go across their face. They don't even notice. And then all of a sudden one day they see this thing. It's like a bird just flew by. And then the next one is like they embody that it's their hand, and that they have this inner sense. And then they begin to use it once they have that sense, and they can begin to use it. And I feel it's the nervous system recording.